So I tend to agree that if you look at the public markets, there are risks there for sure. We can call it valuation bubble, etc., for sure. The questions, of course, when you talk about U.S. exceptionalism, you talk about time frames. We've seen markets go down in the U.S. for the last 15 years as well. We have, but it's been able to come back because of the gravitational pull of the U.S. capital markets. I think the two issues we have to think about which will impact this story. Number one is the effect of AI on job displacement and societal resilience, because the effect of that would be some political response, depending on the countries and so on, because at the end of the day, lives and livelihoods matter more than the stock market price of the Mag 6. Okay. The second, though, is actually the US dollar becoming weaker, which has already become the case this year. So I will say that, I'll just give you one statistic. Between 2002 and 2012, if you were a Singaporean and invested in US stocks, the S&P went up 30%. And the US dollar depreciated against the Sing dollar by 33%. So you have been minus 15% in your returns, okay? Just that, okay? Today, if I look at what's happened with US dollar since March, since April 1st at least, it has depreciated against many currencies. The euro is one, the Sing dollar is the other. And I've now been forced to hedge the US dollar, okay? And the cost of hedging has now gone up because I find everybody's hedging. Canadians are hedging, the Europeans are hedging, etc. It's come to a point now where the cost of my hedges are becoming too much that I have to therefore think about a natural hedge. So what's a natural hedge? It means I've got to be looking for things that give me on a net basis the return I expect for the risk associated. So some US dollar denominated assets will not give me a net return that will justify my allocation of capital there. So weakness of US dollar to a non-US dollar denominated investor is a big issue. And that, I think, will have an impact in the capital markets, both public and private.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.